Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add comment in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So to add a comment we have three ways. Right click in the cell where you want to add a comment and select a comment in the menu that appears. And then enter the necessary information. Or to do this, quickly use the Shift plus F2 keys. And the third way to add a comment is to use the Excel ribbon. Click the Review tab and select New Comment button here. In addition, there are navigation buttons in this section between already created comments. Back to the previous one or forward to the next one. There is a button to show one current comment or to show all created comments at the same time. The last button is intended for editing. How it works. Right now all the comments are randomly arranged, but we can arrange them in order that suits us. Hold down the leftmost button on the border of the comment box and drag it to the right place so that it doesn't overlap the other comment. To delete a comment, we can use the corresponding button in the comment section, or right-click and select Delete. What's great is that we can delete multiple comments at the same time. Select several cells with comments using the Ctrl key and click Delete. In addition to all of the above, we can edit created comments by clicking on the corresponding button in the comment section or select the same by right-clicking. For example, let's edit one of the comments. Select any comment and click Edit. You can edit the text and the size of the comment box by dragging these markers located at the edges of the comment. And if you want to radically change the appearance of the comment, then without leaving the Edit menu, right-click again and select the comment format. This menu is called only when the cursor is at the very edge of the comment, but if you right-click in the middle of the comment, you can edit only text. So the menu has opened. What do we see here? We can change the size and color of the text as well as its style. Align the text horizontally or vertically and select the orientation. We can choose the fill color, the color of the borders with the thickness of the lines. In the Size tab, select the size of the comment box and its scale. In the Alt Text tab, edit the text inside the comment. In the Margins tab, select the length of each side of the comment box. In the Properties tab, select the position of the comment relative to the cell for which it was created. And the Protection tab, in order to prohibit or allow editing in case the document is protected. Click OK, and this is the comment we got. And to copy the style of our beautiful newly created comment to all the other cells, click Copy, then select the cells in which we want to add this comment. Right-click and select Paste Special. And in this menu, select Paste Comment and click OK. That's how our comment got a single style. All that remains is to change the text inside the comment. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.